Hi everyone, this is Keith Vlogs, si Filipino reactor beast here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa na ito reaction video ang Barda compilation because why not? So dito na talaga tayo magsisimula. Charis! Ang totoong maraming chismis kung saan ang Barda ay namamayagpag dito sa TikTok. So gagawa natin ng reaction video, yung mga analyzations and whatnot, na para bang mag-asawa talaga sila dito sa totoo lang. Na para bang mag-asawa talaga sila dito. Kasi diba, we used to see, to see Barbie Forteza and to watch Barbie Forteza na hindi siya naka-dark. Hindi talaga siya naka-dark. Yung Alberto, pinagbigyan ko na ngayon na parang okay, baka nagkataon lang. Pero ang sabi ko nga, mapaglaro talaga ang tadhana, right? Nakapareha sila ng color palette, may naka-brown, naka-leather, dark color, light color, a combination of dark and light color. Matatanggap ko na yun na parang okay, sige, go. Baka mapaglaro lang talaga ang tadhana. Pero dito, nung nag-TikTok sila kahapon, I mean, ang TikTok ni David, parehas na parehas. Ang TikTok ni Barbie, parehas na parehas sa TikTok ni David. Malayo ang frame, nakatayo, may paikot-ikot pa. Tapos, naka-black din si Barbie Forteza at si Ginoo sa Taho Story, dark color din siya. And that is the first time na nakita natin si Ginoo na naka-polo shirt na ganyan kulay. First time usually kasi blue, white, ano pa. Basta first time ko itong nakita, and si Barbie, first time ko din nakita si Barbie na naka-black siya. Anyways, without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Ang dami natin chika. Atake tayo. Diba? At masaya ang Barbie natin for today's video.
OA sa swabe.
OA sa swabe.
At OA sa tibay. Kaya ready ako for the hustle. Because with my reliable partner, OA ako everyday. The
Ay, ganun po talaga dapat.
is now available nationwide.
Okay. O, diba? Yan yung sinasabi ko. Diba? I mean, may paikot-ikot pa talaga sila. Paano natin yan ma-explain, Mami? Aber? Sige nga. Charis. Ay! Oh my God! Ayan na naman sila for today's video. Wait lang, dito muna tayo. Hindi pa tayo tapos dito. Ang ganda ni Barbie. Super ganda ni Barbie. Grabe, natutomboy ako dito kay Barbie. Nang nakita ko tong TikTok niya, sobrang gandang-ganda ako sa kanya. Yung para bang bagong kasal ang atake niya. Ganon ang atake ni Barbie. Okay. Si Kylie C. Atake dito si Kylie C. Paborito dito ibembang ni what do you call this? Paborito siyang ibembang ni Jim. Talaga lang ha. Ay. Okay. Kunyari ka pa. Ganun ba talaga dapat, ma'am? Ay. Sana all. Ano nga yung kantang yun? The Vibe. David with Fun Today, Sobra Cafe. Ngayon na ba ito? Kahapon. Diba, usually we saw David na ganitong mga kulay ng damit niya. Diba? Ay, and Adelina for today's video. Sino to? James Licao po. Ano to? Sorry, hindi ko gets yun. What is the context? Wait lang, punta muna natin si Barda United kung ano yung mga atake niya. Ito, ano to? Ay, ito. May debunking. May debunking siya. May debunking siya. Ito yung nakita ko. Ito yung nakita ko talaga. Si Jameson to Si Jameson to, tingnan mo yung shoes ni Jameson.
Posted by No Nose, whom we know as a Barda fan, no? And also was reposted by, used to be called Barson United, but now she changed her name. Thank God, hindi na niya ako ginagaya. Ginawa na lang niyang Barson, Barbie.
Ito yung nakita ko sa TikTok na parang kinoconnect talaga nila. Low-key daw ang Barson.
medyo
Ito yung
nahiya.
kinukonect nila.
So here,
Diyos ko,
iniintriga niya,
sa shorts
sino
pa
yung
lang,
ka-night
sa
run
shorts
ni
pa lang,
Jameson.
Jameson na
And
yan,
here's the
mami.
deal. That's not Barbie, that's
Tapos,
Jameson's feet. That's
exactly. Kasi alam nyo bakit? Nang may photo si Jameson na blurry, ang shoes is parehas.
Jameson's legs. It's Jameson's rubber shoes and shorts.
Exactly.
I mean, why will you even insinuate that's Barbie's legs?
True.
That's a guy's legs. The switch is very clear. Jameson posted that on
Oo.
his IG.
Exactly.
So why even play with that?
Kasi nga, mga fake news peddlers
really,
sila, mami. Ganun
Parang
talaga yun.
yung parang ginagawa tayong tanga. Even a
news
7-year-old kid can say that's not a girl's legs or shoes or feet.
Tapos,
And if you do a Google search of the area where Jameson jogged, it is very clear that he went jogging somewhere in Clark Campgrounds, no? Clark, Pampanga. Ayan, no? In fact, the next day, nag-post pa siya, nag-Strava siya, nasa Clark, Pampanga siya. Doon siya nag-jogging. Even the search, no, of the trees and the campground shows that the place is likely to be Pampanga or Makati. And in fact, Jameson posted the following day that on Strava that he did another evening run at Clark, Pampanga campgrounds. So there's no doubt that the first that he posted and the second day were all in Pampanga. And we all know it's impossible for Barbie to join Jameson jogging because she was present at the birthday party
Exactly.
of Attorney Annette Gozon. Diba po?
And
Diba we
Miss
were so
Joy
excited
Marcelo.
with her attire and diba nga, nag-party siya
True.
sa birthday ni Attorney Annette Gozon. Tayo namang mga content creator, we have all the freedom in the world, no?
Mami, pero
to say what
being
we
a
want.
fake news
But
na ano,
I
Diyos
think
ko,
we
that's
also
very
have
DDS,
the
ah.
duty and responsibility to fact check
That's very team
and
unity.
you know,
My
our
God.
posts, our information, and also to post really accurate and factual information. Wag yung nag-iimbento tayo
Exactly.
purposely, deliberately.
Tapos kami pa ngayon talaga
just to
yung
make
walang
noise
kredibilidad.
And, you know, gain clout, yung mga
Atake.
ganyan. That's so
For the views,
irresponsible.
pa namin
Natural
makain.
naman
Christmas na
magkamali,
kasi.
pero sorry, di ba?
Papasko na kasi.
Huwag naman yung deliberately.
Alam nyo bakit sinisipagan ng mga content creator ngayong Burmans? Kasi pag Burmans kasi, doble yung revenue. And at the same time, pag Burmans talaga, what you call this, pag Burmans talaga is,
I-mislead na
especially
yung mga
November, ang
fans.
sasahuri, ang kinikita namin, ang binablog namin sa November,
ugali
December
mo
yan
kasi
papasok.
Parang kahit walang
So
connect.
baka naman.
Kinokonek,
Merry
kinikilig.
Christmas.
Wala naman. Ang sa akin lang kasi, ang nasisira sa ginagawa nyo ay si Jameson. Siyang napapahiya dyan kasi parang napaka no-brainer ng mga posts
Exactly.
nyo. No? Hindi ko naman kayo mapipigilan gumawa ng mga
Couldn't agree
ganyang
more.
content. Pero nakakabobo sa mga fans na medyo
Galit na galit.
mahina ang loob. Actually, may isa pang practice na gusto ko mag-comment about. Like, mga katulad nito yung post ni Pinote Joanne. Tapos
Pinote Jo.
lalagyan niya ng watermark na Elise H.
Oo, di ba? Napansin ko din
To
yan.
be honest,
Hindi naman sa
this
kanya yan.
practice is actually
Magnanakaw.
not ethical or
Unethical talaga.
you know,
Gagawan
it's
mo ba
not
naman ng
responsible.
watermark na hindi naman sa'yo?
because you only put a watermark
Kung
on
ikaw
a photo
mismo.
that you yourself took.
Exactly.
You yourself took the picture and
True.
did not grab it from the
Magna.
page of Barbie.
Kilala ko
You
na yan
have
kung
no
sino
right
yung
to
binoto
put
ni
your
Pinote
own
Joanne.
watermark
Charis.
on a photo that you did not personally take na hindi
Exactly
ikaw
the
ang kumuha.
point.
Eh si Barbie ang kumuha niyang picture na yan. Ang pwedeng maglagay ng watermark dyan, si Barbie. Eh, pinotograph mo na nga sa page niya eh.
True.
Tapos, nanakawan
Kaya
ko
kung
pa siya.
napapansin ninyo, hindi ko man matag or hindi ko man matag, pero min-mention ko dito kung sino yung mga TikTok creator. And for example, gumagawa ko ng reaction video ng, for example, Encantada Sangre, yung original link, nasa description box ko talaga yan.
ng
May
credit.
credits,
Yeah.
proper credits.
Eh ano po ba ang watermark? What does it mean? It is a logo, text, or signature superimposed on a photo
Exactly.
to indicate ownership
I
and
couldn't
protect
agree
it
more.
from unauthorized use. So, nilalagay po yung watermark na yan.
Kaya hindi ko
If
mag-gets.
you have legitimate ownership of the photo and you want to protect it from unauthorized use. And then, in the case of Joanne Pinote, who likes putting watermark on photos that she did not personally take and she does not personally own, that is not very ethical.
Magnanakaw.
In fact, there are laws
Magnanakaw.
covering credit grabbing and image grabbing. There are certain clauses under the copyright law that protects actually Barbie or any celebrity from their photo being grabbed and being, kind of stolen, and then putting your name on it as if it was your own, or you
Exactly.
took the photo yourself. You can only do that if you own the photo mismo and you took the photo yourself.
At ang malala pa dito,
However,
wala
in the
ka-effort,
case of Joanne
pinagkikitaan nila. You know what I mean? You know what I mean?
likes
Wag na wag yung ikot yung nga KJ. Hello, nakikita mo, nag-e-effort ako, ginagawa ko ng reaction video.
Putting
Hindi
her
yung tipong, kung ano nakikita, hindi yung tipong parang, ikaw talaga may-ari ng picture na kung anong pinost ng isa, ipopost mo din sa page mo, lagyan mo na ng watermark. Ano to? Di
or
ba?
her name
Hello?
on photos that she does not own and she did not take herself, and she has no legitimate or legal
Exactly.
ownership of these photos. So she should
Kaya
not
wala
do
akong
that.
bilib sa kanila eh. From the
Wala
start.
namang pumipigil sa kanya, pero there are laws covering that. Hindi naman tayo pinipigilan ni Barbie i-grab ang mga videos and photos niya, di ba? Kasi mga public property sila, public,
Figure.
they're celebrities, they're public, personalities. So, hindi naman niya tayo pinipigilan i-grab yan or gamitin
True.
yan. Pero, sana naman tayo, being fans or content creators, have some sort of like responsibility, not naman to credit grab the photo.
Exactly.
Kasi nakakahiya talaga, nakakatawa talaga.
Tsaka magnanakaw
that you
talaga.
are putting your
That is so magnanakaw.
the watermark of your name on the photos of celebrities when you don't even took the photo.
Exactly,
And
hindi ko
worse,
sa
you
bahay ka
don't
lang,
own the
kumikita ka dahil sa
photo.
pagnanakaw mo ng mga photos. Ay, ano to? Anyways, that is our for today's video. Tuloy natin to. This is Age Vlog. See you on my next vlog. Bye!